Hello everyone, I'm gonna introduce the 5.1, the subtask of the Itube, the application. So which is has a sign up page, login page, sign up page, and then also when you log in, you will have to key the YouTube URL, and then they will be play the YouTube. So first of all, I will need to sign up. So you can see there's a sign up page. So which is my name is YUHENG Wang, and then my username is probably one, and then they'll be using the 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the double clicked, and then once I will just register successfully. And sorry, I didn't implement for the back button, but I can just click the back from here. And then once I will log in for my account. Once we log in, you can see here has the play button, which is play the URL, and then my playlist I used before. I have implement so many playlists that test the functions, and from here, yeah. So maybe I using this one, and this is the YouTube, and I click the play. You can see here they're using like the YouTube, the iframe API, and then I click the play button. You can see you can play and can play back. I can set the volume, and yeah. So I think that's all. When I click back and add them to the add list, and then I see the playlist. I'll add in the playlist. So back to home. Yeah, I think that's all the logic of this the app, and also for the implement the same thing I will explain for the from the layout first. So first is for the main, which is the main they have. You can see here has the user or login or sign up. If you click sign up, they will go to the sign up the layout, which is required for the username and password. Also in the playlist they will in the list view. I didn't use the recycler view, just used like a normal list, yeah, to save the data. And the play video, which it will be enabled for the web view player, and then in the web view player, and then the play videos, and then you can see here I'm play the videos, and then using the iframe API, and also using the regular expression to make sure. Before, the API is like the source code only for the is embedded really, which only you can just key for the video ID, which is really affect for the user experience of the app. So I have a new method which called it extract the video ID, and then put into the regular expression, and then they will improve for the user experience. Yeah, I think that's the logic of the play video. So the all of the data I'm using, because at this time I will learn of the house using the SQLite or maybe the room library. So I save all of them in a database, so which is called a database helper, and I'll create two tables. One table is for the users and the password, and the other one is for the playlist. The playlist will have the videos. So there's two tables, and also I implement for some of the CRUD functions. So yeah, you can just add to the list, which is add, and but some of the functions I didn't implement because it's not a requirement for this small task. So it's not all the full basic of the CRUD function. But you can see here is add playlist, and then you get a toast here, and then you can see that they already added into the list. So usually maybe you can implement for the delete or update, something like that. Yeah, and that's required for this task. Yeah. So that's for my database class. And for the home functions, you just implement for the like the play button. Oh yeah, that's the home page. So the play button, add to the playlist, my playlist, logic, and then they are by the database helper. yeah, so the click listener, and you can just put it the functions so you can hear. After that, you can play video and all of those things. And in the main activities is implemented for those things. We first implement import for the database, and for the buttons on click listener and set wheels, which is and then have some intent. Yeah, so I'll back here. Sorry. Oh, not this one. Sorry. I need to restart it. Sorry, let's come back to the previous task of the relative news. Yeah, you can see here login sign up. So if the sign up has the intent to the sign up page, and if the login, it will be intent to the login, like the login will be to the home page. Yeah, you can see here the intent. Yeah, the intent to the main activity to the home class. And for here, we intend to the sign up. You need to sign up. Yeah, that's whole logic. Playlist. So the playlist, the only thing is I import for the database, and also has the back functions. We set up on click listener and initialize the wheels, which is we have two functions. So the logic there will be once we add a new playlist, we to refresh the playlist. So here on resume, and also if I put, yeah, cause we click the add button. Yeah, sorry. I'll log in here. Like if I click the button, if I click the button like to add to the playlist, they will add in the database. So which we have the functions of the add to the, which in here, like add a user and sorry, here add to the playlist, the function here. And also in the password, you can see I just hash the password. Yeah. Right, I think that's all, and then or just play. I think that's all the functions. I'll try to play this one, and I think they all, yeah, it all works. Yeah. Right. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Here's all the task of the 5.1 of the Itube application. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll start.